Hi, my name is Raul Garcia. I am the Global Product Manager for Industrial High-Performance Printers and Print Engines. Today we're going to be focusing on the ZT600 series printers, specifically the ZT610 in peel-off mode. The ZT600 industrial printers are engineered for mission-critical applications. The all-metal construction supports continuous heavy-duty performance and high throughput. That ensures 24 hours a day, 7 days a week print performance. This printer can withstand harsh environments, extreme temperatures, dust, moisture, and much more. What is peel-off mode, and when would I suggest using this feature? Most labels have a liner backing that needs to be removed. This step can be eliminated when the ZT600 is equipped with the Peel Media Handling feature. This increases the efficiency and accuracy of applying labels onto boxes or products. Peel-off mode lets you apply the labels in the correct sequence, and the printer's take label sensor detects when the label is removed before printing the next label in that sequence. Another benefit of peel-off mode is you don't have to handle the liner. The liner is being rewound back into the printer's rewind spindle. And you can see that right there. We avoid any mess or debris collecting on the floor. This process is much quicker and easier compared to taking a label off the liner by hand.
Please remember, you will also need to order the printer with the rewind option. The rewind option enables peel-off mode. This option can also be purchased as a field installable upgrade kit. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tips on the ZT600 series.